Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now why?
Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's Najee Iman and I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a wig without any glue. I did this process before, but I didn't do it that well. I used a different type of mousse and this is how it looks. Literally, it's removable. Like if I lifted my wig, it can come up, but I don't want to like take it off right now. So I didn't use any glue, no gel, no nothing. The only thing about glueless wigs that really makes me mad is that if you go to school and you try to do this method, beware, your wig can get snatched real easily. If I was to wear this to school and somebody was to come up behind me and take it off, bitch, this would be gone. If you guys want to see how I installed my wig with no glue, no gel, no tape, no nothing, honey, keep on watching. I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how easy it is to take this off and put it back on, because there's literally no glue. So there you go. y'all, so that was the video. I think I'm gonna be selling this wig too because I don't really, should I sell this? Let me know if you guys would buy this if I sell it. I kind of like it for myself. So if you guys want this wig, comment below and maybe I'll sell it. Yeah. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
Didn't know you before, then you are not gay.